Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again, which will extend your toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me, it is located on the second page right over here, and once you see yours, you can simply hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Here, go over all the settings, customize them to fit your needs, and once you have done so, you can close this and then find the toggle once more, and this time around simply tap on it to enable it. First time around, it will bring up this window, turn on Do Not Disturb mode. In Do Not Disturb mode, you will only receive notifications for alarms, timers, and calendar events. Now, this is a little bit inaccurate depending on how you set up your Do Not Disturb mode. This might not be completely true, as you might have some calls coming through as well. And by default, Do Not Remind Me Again is checked on, so when you click on Turn On, this window will never show up again. So, once you're done with the Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle once again, and you can tap on it once more to turn it off. And you do want to remember about it, as otherwise it will run indefinitely in the background. So, depending on how you set it up, you might not be getting calls at all for as long as this mode is running. So, you might want to remember about it. Anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.